Let us now try to write the IUPAC names of the compounds. Consider the first compound given CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. The functional group present is OH, therefore the compound should be named as alcohol. Methyl group is attached to the 6th carbon. The longest hydrocarbon chain is with 8 carbon atoms. So the compound should be named as octanol and OH is attached to the 3rd carbon. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the compound is 6-methyl octane 3-ol. Now consider the next example CH3CH2 COCH2 COCH3. The functional group present is ketone. So the suffix should be on. Since 2 keto groups are present, it should be indicated by di. Therefore the suffix will become dione. 6 carbon atoms are present. So the IUPAC name of the compound is hexane 2,4-dione. Now consider the next example CH triple bond C single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. The 2 C double bond C functional groups are present at carbon atoms 1 and 3, while the C triple bond C functional group is present at carbon 5. These groups are indicated by suffixes diene and ine respectively. The longest chain containing the functional group has 6 carbon atoms. Hence the parent hydrocarbon is hexane. Therefore the IUPAC name of the compound is hexa 1,3-diene 5-ine. The compound should be named as alkyne. Now consider the next example. The IUPAC name of the compound is given. It is pent-4-ene 2-ol. From the name it is clear that 5 carbon atoms are present in the longest chain. 4-ene shows the presence of double bond with the 4th carbon, and 2-ol shows the presence of OH group present with the 2nd carbon atom. Therefore, we can write the structure of the compound as CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CHOH, CH3. Now consider the next example cyclohex-2-ene 1-ol. From the name it is clear that we have to start with the cyclohexene and double bond should be present with the 2nd carbon atom, whereas OH should be attached to the 1st carbon. Thus we can get the structure of cyclohex-2-ene 1-ol as shown in the figure. Now consider 6-hydroxyheptanol. From the name it is clear that OH group is present with the 6th carbon and aldehyde group CHO is also present. CHO group is given the preference, so that is why the compound is named as aldehyde heptanol. 7 carbon atoms are present. CHO carbon should be numbered as the 1st carbon so that hydroxyl group OH will be attached to the 6th carbon. Thus we can get the structure of 6-hydroxyheptanol as CH3CHOH, CH2CH2CH2, CH2CHO. Now consider the nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. Benzene is C6H6. Now the first example given is methyl benzene, also known as toluene. Methyl benzene is C6H5CH3. Now consider the next compound. The structure given is C6H5OMe, which is C6H5OCH3. So it is methoxybenzene and its common name is anisole. Now consider the next compound C6H5NH2. It is known as aminobenzene, commonly known as aniline. The next compound given is C6H5NO2, which is nitrobenzene. Then next we have bromobenzene, which is C6H5Br. Now consider the 3 compounds given. The first compound is named as 1,2-dibromobenzene. Here in this compound, 2 bromine atoms are attached to the 1st and the 2nd carbon atoms. The common name of this compound is ortho-dibromobenzene, since the 2 bromine atoms are attached to the 1st and the 2nd carbon atoms. Now consider the next compound given. Its IUPAC name is 1,3-dibromobenzene. It is commonly called as meta-dibromobenzene. Next we have 1,4-dibromobenzene, which is commonly called as para-dibromobenzene. Consider two more examples given here. First compound is named as 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene, and it is not named as 4-chloro-1,3-dinitrobenzene. Here the direction of numbering is chosen such that the next substituent gets the lowest number. The substituents appear in the name in alphabetical order. So the first compound is named as 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene. Now consider the next example given. The compound is named as 2-chloro-1-methyl-4-nitrobenzene. The substituents appear in the name in alphabetical order. So this is the reason why the compound is named as 2-chloro-1-methyl-4-nitrobenzene.